Okay, in this video we'll learn how to make these cute little dresses, and all we need is just a piece of patterned paper which is square. Any size is preferred, but preferably this one is 8 by 8. So let's get started. For this, we first need to fold the paper into half. And now fold the other way as well. So now we fold it both the ways. And now we have to fold it into quarters. So bring this end to the middle line. Let's do the same the other way as well. So now we have something like this. Now turn the page and bring this first fold here to the middle line. So this forms another fold. So you'll have something like this. Let's repeat the same. Let's get this fold to this one here. So now we should have something like this. Now flip the paper. Now you have a fold in between here. So fold this back. And now when you're folding this down, leave a centimeter gap and fold it back. So now we should have something like this. So now keep the smaller one on the top and the longer one at the bottom. Flip it again. Now this one, pull it out and push this inside so that we form the shape of the skirt. This can be a little tricky. Make sure you don't tear the page. Same thing on the other side. I'm pushing the dress with my finger. So we all have this now. Again, flip this back. Now this one here, we're gonna fold it and form a triangle. Repeat the same on the other side. It need not be accurate. Even if it's a little here and there, it's fine. And now open this back and you form a diamond. Open it and pull this down gently so that you form a diamond shape, something like this. Correct? Now we bring this corner to this corner, fold it. So this will form the V-neck of the dress, like this. Same thing the other side as well. As I said, it need not be accurate because this is behind the dress, and so you formed your V-neck. And now you fold this halfway, and this one here, you fold it in a way that you form an angle to your dress. So I'm folding this the preferred angle that I want for my dress. I can fold it all the way and I can form something like this. So I'm gonna fold it here. I'm repeating the same, folding it into half. And then forming an angle, so I'm just pressing it and forming the shape here and folding it back. So now this corner that you have, pull it out so that this forms the sleeve for the dress. Repeat the same on the other side. Just make the folds crisp. And there you go, you have your beautiful dress. Hope you guys like it.